we are working on installing the cold air. I've already got started on it, as you can tell. Got the instructions here. They're pretty straightforward. I've already removed the pipe there, which is this guy right there. It's got a few hoses that connect to it. Got your idle bypass hose here, got tucked away. That hose right there is your PCV. You can see it goes right into the intake, or right into the valve cover there, which we're going to put in a catch can eventually, because these motors like to suck oil. So also remove the tube that goes all the way across, actually goes to the firewall. The sound tube, so that is no longer going to be needed. Going to be completely removed. As you can see there, it's completely gone. I think next, I'm actually on number 5 here on the instructions. Pretty much already halfway through it. I already got the tube removed. Probably going to be removing that next. I need to take the air mass sensor out. It's going to go into the air filter here. See on the side. It's going to go right there. And this kit comes with everything you need to get this bad boy installed. This kit requires a tune, which I already have it already. And so once we get this installed, we're going to get the N-gauge in, and we're going to load the tune that Lund Racing already sent me, and see how she does. Alright, so I got the air cleaner housing out. It's pretty simple. You just got the one bolt, 10mm right here. Take that bolt out, the whole assembly just comes out just like that. That's what she looks like. So now we are ready to start installing our new kit here. Alrighty, so show you how I got done here. This is actually going pretty quick. Like I said, the instructions are like straightforward. Can't become any clearer, I guess. But so I got the new box in. I guess that's what you want to call it. It's got 2 mounting points. With the kit, it comes with takes a 3/16 Allen wrench to tighten that up. It's got a little rubber garment that goes right into here in the body here. You push that in first, then set this whole box in place, and just screw it in loosely. Don't tighten it all the way down. Then use that stock bolt you just pulled out from the oil cleaner and put that in. It's a 10mm. So once you get those 2 in, you can start tightening these bolts down. I tighten this one first, then I tighten this one. Alright, so on the reservoir here, the kit requires you to move it over. Looks like about 2 inches or so, 2.5 inches. So it comes with this little aluminum plate here, and it comes with hardware. So this whole reservoir just moves over. One thing I did is I did take this loose, so I can just twist the hose just a little bit to make it easier. Didn't touch this one. This one seemed to be fine. Just this one, like I said, I just got some of my pliers and took the pressure off the hose and just turned it just a little bit, and it worked just fine. And after you get these 2 in, I suggest putting these in first, then bolt it back down to your fan here, your radiator. But like I already got this done. It's real simple. It's actually going together really quick. This is also a 3/16 as well Allen wrench. Alright guys, so I have it completely installed. This tube here, you gotta work it a little bit. to get it down for as far as you can down, because if not, your hood won't close. So it is completely installed. Got all the hoses all connected. Did come with a new PCV hose. Came with a kit. So you'll take the stock one out and replace it with this new one here. And I already tested the hood, and it works. It closes just fine. With this cold air, a tune is required to run it. So got the Engage in the car now. I already got the tune on the SD card. I just gotta power the car on and load the new tune on. And probably won't drive it too much, considering it's still raining and all. Because they want a few things they want me to do to send back, so they make sure everything's looking good. But it shouldn't look too bad, considering this is pretty much mainly stock, except for the cold air here. The exhaust really won't be considered won't really need a tune change. So the biggest issue here would be just this right here, cold air here. And I do have 93 in it now. I'm not sure what the dealership put in it, but I ran it pretty much down to like 25 miles to ease, and filled her up with 93. So like I said, I got this. What's up, guys? Alright, so just doing some editing on the video on this cold air kit, and I noticed I didn't finish the video, so I'm going to finish this video here. I did notice I mentioned I was running pump 93 in it, but right now I'm running E85 in it, so it shouldn't really affect anything. But so far, it's been about 2 weeks. It's actually been about 2 weeks now since I've done the cold air. Just getting behind, getting these videos pumped out. But the cold air's been running good on this car. You can hear it. You got the windows down. You can hear it when you give it gas. You can just hear the intake on it. Sounds good. So I'm going to give it a little start and see what it sounds like with this intake, but the cold air on this car. So this is a cold start. I have started this car in probably, I guess, 3 days. So we'll just press the brake in. Alright, so I'm going to give it a couple little revs here. Alright guys, so that is the finish up on the cold air on the 18 here. Not really sure I show the new wheels on this car or not. It's hard to tell, it's getting kind of dark. Wheels look pretty good. I think the car needs to be lowered just a little bit. It'll look better. But guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video here, and maybe this weekend we'll get the Fox uncovered, because we gotta get that car ready for TMI next weekend, and should be a blast. So guys, hope you enjoyed it, and until next time guys, I'll see y'all later.